Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to fade videos in Capcut PC. Now let's begin. I already have a video dragged into the timeline. Right now I'm simply gonna click on this video and a new menu tab will open at the top right. Now what I need to do is add keyframes. Let's scroll down and I want to add keyframes for opacity. Let's add a keyframe and change the opacity to 0. Now at a further section of the video, I'm gonna add another keyframe for opacity and change it to 100. Now let's just see how the video is like. And this is how you do fade in. And for fade out, the process is quite similar. Let's go to a section that is slightly ahead of the end and add a keyframe for opacity. Now let's go to the end of the video and add another keyframe for opacity and change opacity to 0. Now let's see. And there you have it guys. That's how you fade a video in Capcut. It's quite easy to fade in and fade out, and for any confusions do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.